What is up, traders? Hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to be going over this short position taken on NASDAQ that resulted in a loss. I'm going to be going over why I took it and my kind of thought process for taking this trade. So let's get straight into it. Coming into the day, I was neutral biased because simply we were trading. This was the 9 a.m. candle, so we were inversing this 1 hour inefficiency right here. We had buy side higher, but we still had this big liquidity void from the previous day, new day opening gap. So I was neutral biased until seeing more confirmation, and we definitely did get that confirmation upon market open, and we just pushed up higher, not really giving any opportunities to hop in the trade or the setup. So obviously waiting for macro, and by the time macro came, we had swept basically major buy side liquidity. After sweeping this, obviously we did tap into a 15-minute inefficiency, so this was my target for the day if I was long. There was this buy side liquidity. Once we tapped into this, there's a big inefficiency right here on the 15-minute, so after this I would be kind of hesitant to enter longs. So if we come into the 1 minute time frame, we can see here macro starts at 9:45, and once macro started at 9:45, if I wanted to enter off of this 1 minute order block, I could, but again, it was just too far out for me. Plus, we already took my daily target, which is this buy side liquidity, because we have a big inefficiency right here. So once that happened, I said, okay, I'll wait to see maybe a confirmation to sell short, or if price wants to continue higher, I'm gonna wait till that 15-minute is inversed, and then maybe wait for the 2 a.m. macro to take longs if we didn't sweep the buy side liquidity by then. So if you see here, by the time 2nd macro comes, we had swept this even more major buy side liquidity. So I said then, okay, the 2 a.m. macro is going to probably be a short opportunity to take out some relatively equal lows, fill in a fair value gap, something like that, right? So macro comes 10:45, which is the 2 a.m. macro right here. I notice a very nice inefficiency right here to enter off of. So once price comes into it, I enter off there, stop loss above this 1 minute order block. And then once we had this SMT with ES, so once we had this SMT with ES, which is right here, right, we can see we made a higher high on NASDAQ and lower high on ES. That gave me a bit more confidence, so I marked that out. And then we pushed lower, so I trailed my stop loss right at that top of that SMT, or actually it was a bit lower, so above midpoint, constant encouragement of that SMT, or that wick, sorry. So putting it above midpoint, somewhere around there, was my stop loss, my trailed stop loss. And then take profit, I was going to take some off here, and then fully at these double lows right here, which, as we can see, definitely did not play out for the rest of the day. So yeah, that was it. Really can't do anything about it. I mean, since market opened, we just shot up, and no real retracement to any major liquidity. I mean, looking back, even there's no real retracement that took any major liquidity. It was just constant push up. So for tomorrow, or Friday, yeah, today basically, for my times today, I would expect some sort of retracement to sweep out this buy side, their sell side, sorry, here, because there's a lot of trailing sell side that was really never swept. So yeah, that's something to keep an eye out for sure. That's going to be it. Hope you guys found this insightful. If you want more pre and post session analysis just like this, I post my pre-session analysis every single day on Discord for free. So if you want to tune in and see that, join my free Discord. Link for that is in the description. Also, I do have my paid one-on-one mentorship. So if you're starting out or struggling with trading, I do have my one-on-one paid mentorship. So if you want to see if you qualify for that, book your call, your free discovery call. Calendly link for that is in the description. I'm also posting my free mentorship in terms of the YouTube video-wise here on YouTube in the playlist. So if you want to tune in and watch that, feel free to do so as well. All right. Till next time, guys, stay safe and happy trading.